Here question number 3 and 4, as you are looking at, both questions are in product form. So first we will simplify these expressions. We will multiply both brackets. When you will multiply x with x minus 3, we get x square minus 3x. Same as we are going to multiply 1 with x minus 3, x, the result is x minus 3. After further simplification, we solve these two terms, minus 2x minus 3. Now after this step, you can find out the integration as previous procedure. So I hope you can find it yourself. I show it you later. Now in this question, we multiply x inside of the bracket. When these two variables will multiply, their power will be combined. According to the rule of exponent, when same variables are going to multiply, we add their powers. X multiply 1 will be x. After taking the LCM of its power, we get 3 by 2. Now here both questions have the same procedure which we have done in previous first and second question. So after solving this question, I show you the result. Now this is the integration of both questions. Here integration of this function is this one, and integration of question number 3 is this one, same as the previous procedure. Now we move towards next questions. Now in question number 5 and 6, we will simplify these questions, but in their simplification we have to apply the formula to expand these brackets. Now here I write the formula first. A plus B whole square will be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And in this question we use the formula negative a minus b whole square will be equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Both are very basic formulae. So we expand these questions by using these formulas. This term is a and this term is b. A square plus 2 a into b plus b square. After cancellation of the square term with radical sign x, this root x will cancel with this one 2, and here we get 1 by x. Now we apply integral sign separately with each term and take out this 2 from the integral sign. Now we find the integration. Here its integration is x square by 2. Integration of 1 is x. Here if you have remember which function have derivative 1 by x, the function natural log of x has derivative 1 by x. So here its integration will be natural log of x. This is the integration of given question. Same as procedure we will apply here. First we will expand this bracket by using this formula. a square minus 2 ab plus b square. After further simplification, here we get x minus 2 root x plus 1. Applying integral sign separately with each term and taking out the constant value, now you can find out the integration same as previous procedure. We convert this radical sign into power. I hope you will find out the integration of these terms. Here, this is the integration of given question. Now we move toward question related to fractions form, but here I tell you two more formula. If the power is 3, then you can use the formula a plus b whole cube will be equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube. Same in negative sign, a cube minus 3a square b. If the power of the question is cube, then you can use these two formulas. Now we move toward question related to fractions form. Question number 7, 8, 9, which are related to fraction form. But remember, in these types of fractions form, in their denominator there will be only one term. Either the fraction form is related to proper or improper. But next questions in 10 and 11, we will see that how to find the integration of improper question when their denominator is consist on more than one term. Here the fraction form is related to whose denominator is consist on only single term. In these type of questions, you will divide the term which is in denominator with the each term of the numerator. You are dividing the term in denominator with the term of numerator. Now you will apply integral sign with each term separately. Same as here. After taking out constant value from integral sign, you will take out 2 from integral sign. Then you will combine these variables. When you will move this variable x towards numerator, the power will be combined. Here its power is 1 by 2. When you will move it towards numerator, its sign of the power will be changed. Same as here, you will move this x raised to power 1 by 2 towards numerator, the power of the sign will be changed. Now here you are going to find out the integration, but first you will simplify this power. After taking LCM, you will get 1 by 2, and this one you will write as it is. Now I am going to take integration by applying the same rule as previous, you will add 1 with the given power and write same as it in denominator. Same here, you will add plus 1 with the power, given power, and write same as in its denominator. Now after solving, after taking LCM, here 3 by 2 same as here plus 2. After taking LCM of this value, you will get 1 by 2 same as here 1 by 2. These 3 will cancel and your result is 2x raised to power 3 by 2 plus this 2 will multiply with this one, you will get 4x raised to power 1 by 2. Now that is the integration of this given question. Now we do this one. First you will apply the formula, binomial formula of a minus b whole square. It will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. This value as it is. After solving the powers, here you will get x, here 2 root x and here 1. Now we are going to divide the value of denominator with each term of the numerator. X by root x, also applying integral sign with each term separately. 2 root x by root x dx plus 1 by root x dx. After simplification, same here, you will combine these variable. This power will move toward numerator, its sign will be changed. You will take out this 2 from the integral sign and this root will be cancelled. The remainder is 1. Here you will move this variable towards numerator by changing the sign of its power. Now after simplification, here power is 1 by 2. Remainder terms you will write as it is. Now from this step, we are going to take integration of each term. According to the rule, you are going to add 1 with the power and write it in its denominator. Integration of 1 is x. Same here, you will apply the rule by adding 1 with the given power and write the in its denominator. Now after solving, here power is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus 2x plus here power will be 1 by 2 after taking LCM and divided by 1 by 2. So the final answer is 2 by 3 x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 2x plus 2 x raised to power 1 by 2. This is your required integration of the given question. After this, you can take out x as a common. Otherwise, this is your required integration of the given question. Now we move towards question number 9. First, you will multiply this root x the terms inside the bracket. When you will multiply these two variables, you will combine the power of the variable. Now multiply root x with 1, we get root x, denominator as it is. After the power of this x will be 3 by 2 after taking LCM, plus root x by x. Now applying integral sign with each term separately and also combine the variable, this power will move towards numerator by changing its sign, same as here 1 by 2, and when this variable will move towards numerator, its power sign will be changed. Now we have, after taking LCM of this value, I show you how to take LCM of this value. 3 by 2 minus 1, here LCM is 2, here you will get 3 minus 2. The answer is 1 by 2. Now this is the LCM of 3 by 2. Here you will write 1 by 2 dx plus, here LCM of 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Now you are going to take integration of these terms by adding 1 in each term and write the power in its denominator. Same as here, you are going to add 1 with the given power and you will write the power in its denominator. After solving these powers, you will get here 3 by 2, same as here 3 by 2, x power 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Now after simplification, you will get 2 by 3 x raised to power 3 by 2 plus 2 x raised to power 1 by 2. Now this is required answer of the question. So you see that how to find the integration of the question related to fraction form when there is a single term in its denominator. Now you see how to find the question related to improper fractions when there is more than one term in its denominator.